Okay, I've just unboxed this King's fridge, 40 litre. What it's got in there is a user manual, cigarette lighter type of plug in this box, no other attachments. It's got 16-inch imperial measurement and also centimeters, 40 centimeters. So if you're fishing, a couple of beers here, you use the top of that. That's inside. Okay, over here you can connect the cigarette lighter which comes with it. And this says plus or minus, blah blah blah. Let's connect that in a minute. The box. This is the specifications. Picture. 40 litre. What did I say, 20?